I'm Lucy with Rossmonster, and today I want to show you around an awesome opportunity to get into a gently used Baja LX. This Baja is built on an F-350 with a Lariat trim package. It's got a diesel powertrain as well as a Carli suspension. Really low mileage on this vehicle. We're going to have 18,500 or just over, so it's really pristine inside and ready for its next adventure. As with all of our Bajas, this vehicle is going to have an articulating topper so that when you're driving, you're nice and compact, so when you get to camp, you can lift it up and really enjoy the spaciousness of this vehicle. So let's pop it up and then we'll go through the whole tour. So the exterior of this Baja has a ton of features to kind of take its capability to the next level. Starting all the way up top, we're going to have an LED light bar inlaid into the camper shell itself. As we come down from there, we're going to have an upgraded Bodyguard front bumper with another LED light bar as well as some fog lights in both clear and amber. We have upgraded KO2 all-terrain tires on a method wheel. We have a Carli suspension. We're going to have automatic running boards down the side here, and then we have a manual step up as you get into the camper at the back there. As we come down the side of the vehicle, you'll notice that we have a full-size entryway here, so you can open that door and do the awning at the top, so you don't have to worry about bumping your head as you enter. We have our Maxtrax table mounting system, so a great place to store your Maxtrax. Also a lovely happy hour table when you get to camp. All the way up top, we're going to have our Fiamma awning. That's going to be manual. And then we have these storage boxes in the rear. So you have a large one on the passenger side, smaller one on the driver's side. Both of those are going to lock. So that's a great place to store stinky or wet gear while you're out on a trip. And then we have our upgraded Rossmonster rear bumper there as well. This is what the awning style full-size door looks like when it is in the open position. So a really nice entryway, and you're also going to have these bug screens that you can roll down so you can enjoy the fresh air and not worry about bugs coming into the vehicle. Welcome inside. So this Baja features our LX floor plan, which means that we have the cab over bed all the way in the front. We're going to have our wet bath on the driver's side, Galley in the center here, and then Dinette all the way in the rear. When it comes to design features, we're going to have white oak grain matched cabinetry throughout. That's all going to be slab door. We have white Corian countertops, and then this nice turquoise Crest Leather upholstered dinette. So I'm going to start this tour all the way in the front, and then we'll work our way back. All the way in the front of the vehicle here, we have our cab over bed. So this is a queen size bed. You have touch activated lights at the head of the bed. All of those also you can plug USBs into, so you can charge while you're sleeping. We also have a nice little charging nook here at the head of the bed, as well as a really nice like pantry style storage option there with adjustable shelves. As with all of our Bajas, we're going to have the insulated pass through here. This is going to allow you to not have to go out in inclement weather if you're trying to get to the cab of the vehicle. It also keeps things nice and quiet so you can actually listen and hear an audiobook while you're going down the road. We have our ladder to help you get into the bed, so you just pop this down and then that'll help you get up there. And then lastly, we just have some cubby storage in the bulkhead there, as well as some awning style windows and our skylight over top of the bed. Moving back from there, we have our wet bath stall. So this is a great place to put a dry flush or a composting toilet, but this vehicle doesn't currently have one. We have our shower. That's going to be serviced by our AquaHot hydronic heat and hot water system, as well as our sink and our outdoor shower. We have a teak shower grate insert on the floor, so it's never going to get slippery. You don't have to ever stand in a puddle. And then we just have some nice hooks and the shower curtain to keep things clean. As we continue to move rearward, we have our galley in the center of the vehicle here. So starting over on the passenger side, we have a 2-burner induction cooktop. We have this topo etched backsplash to keep all of our upholstery nice and clean. All white Corian countertops. We have a 20-inch flip-up countertop extension there to kind of get a little bit more usable space out of this galley. We have a 130-liter isotherm fridge with a small freezer up top. And then we just have some nice drawer storage along with a shelving unit here where you can adjust those shelves depending on what you want to take out on the road. And then we'll hop over to the driver's side. Moving over to the driver's side, we have our Rivati sink. So it has a cutting board insert that you can use this as a countertop when you're not using the sink. We also have a folding faucet, so when you're not using it, you just pop it down and it's out of sight, out of mind. A little bit of storage here underneath that, as well as our Guzzle H2O water filtration system, which is going to be for our cold water line only. Above this sink, we're going to have our microwave, small little microwave there, and that's going to kind of lead into the rest of our upper storage. All of this is going to be on slam latches, but a ton of storage in this vehicle to keep all of your personal belongings so that our dinette can kind of serve to house most of our systems. So all the way in the rear of the vehicle, we have our dinette. This is also going to function as our secondary sleeping area, so you can just pop this table down and reclaim this space for the ability to sleep comfortably in this vehicle. Additionally, this is going to be where we house all of our systems. So we're going to have our plumbing systems in here. We have our 40-gallon freshwater tank. We're also going to have all of our power systems. So we have 800 amp hours of lithium phosphate battery bank. We have 600 watts of solar coming up through the top. We have a 3,000 watt inverter, and we have an auxiliary alternator. So anytime you're turning on the vehicle, you're going to be charging your house batteries, as well as the option for shore power hookup. Additionally, in this area, we have our lagoon mount table. This is going to match all of the cabinetry. It also swivels out of the way, or it can be completely taken off for when you're sleeping. Underneath that, we have access to our safe. And then we have just a little bit more storage in the raised floor here. Closing out the interior of this vehicle, we'll talk about ventilation and lighting and just general brain of the whole vehicle. So when it comes to lighting, we're going to have dimmable LED dome lights up top. We have above cabinet lights, under cabinet lights, and toe kick lights, so you can really set up the mood depending on what's going on or what time of day it is. When it comes to ventilation, all of our windows back here are going to be awning style. Get a nice 360 view of wherever you camp. We have the awning styles in the front as well as the skylight as well. Up top here, we're going to have a pneumatic 12-volt AC unit, a MaxxAir fan over the dinette, and then we already talked about our Aqua Hot, which is going to service all of our plumbing. It's also going to keep this vehicle nice and warm in the winter months. Lastly, we have the brain of the vehicle here, just our touchscreen operated control system. This is where you're going to keep tabs on all of your levels from water tanks to battery power. And then lastly, in this cabinet, we're going to have our Victron battery monitor as well as the thermostat for our Aqua Hot. Thanks so much for tuning in. Again, this is an awesome opportunity to get into a Baja LX. As always, if you're going to buy used from Rossmonster, that's going to get you access to all of the amazing events we host for our owners. The vehicle and Rossmonster warranty live on with this vehicle, and you get access to our amazing service team available 7 days a week. If I missed any specs, you'll find them in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.